Hallo chairde, Fáilte arás Gaeilge le Caoimhe. Welcome back again to Gaeilge le Caoimhe. This is ceacht over seacht. Week number 7, would you believe it? So welcome back again, new subscribers. If you're here for the first time, then Fáilte. So, Cheannaigh ón seachtain se caite, our Cheannaigh from last week, and rud chi and leanamh, gní and lanamh. And there's a couple of people that got it. Well done. That's monkey see, monkey do. So you can pause here to do your daily routine in the present tense, the things you're going to get up to today. And you can play on and then pause here if you want to complete it in the past tense. So I'm not going to go into that today. We've done that in previous videos. If you want to see how to do that, you can watch back. For Anyam Naha Rea. So these are all the ones that we've done. We've covered loads already. And the ones that we're going to move on to today is Faoi and Idir. And Faoi means under or about, and Idir means between. So first we'll look at Faoi. So under me or about me is Fuam. About you, Foot. About him, Faoi. And that's also about it or under it. About her, Fuair. About us, Fuair. Under usances or about usances, Fuair. And about them, Fuair. So if we put them into our abertí, our sentences, and I would like you to use the words Caoimhe, scale, and fair. And Caoimhe is chair, scale is story, and fair is grass. So try and use those in your sentences using Faoi. Pause here to complete the sentences, or you can play on to see my abertí. So iver a hain, tá Caoimhe fuam. Iver a dá, bhí scéal agam Faoi. And iver a tree, bé fair fuamh. Now we'll look at Idir. And the first few are really easy. Idir me to a e. And between us, Adirin, between usans, Adirih, and between them, Adirhu. So if you're doing your abertí now, I'd like you to use table, table, bocher, road, and splas, which means space, as in up in space, but also a space between people. So pause here to do your sentences, or here are mine. Iver a hain, tá table, Adirin. Iver a dá, bhí bocher, Adirih. And iver a tree, bé splas Adirhu, sa siopa. So take a break here. You can read over those a couple of times, get a cup of tea, and then we'll move on to our Leo Hishkinch with An Gaeilge lag a la. And this is ceacht iver a ní, Sean and we ag siopadacht. So I'm going to read through first of all, and you can follow along. Now it's up to you how you do it. You can either translate as we go, you can use pen and paper, you can pause whenever we're finished and try and go back over it yourself, or you can listen on if you find it a little bit difficult and there was phrases that you didn't understand. Listen on after the part with the questions, and I'm going to go through in the frasy all the new phrases that we'll come across. So here is ceacht iver a ní, Sean and we ag siopadacht. Mhúscáil me maidin de Saharn ar a ní, ach Níor éirigh me go dtí a Gaeilge. Ní me hain, agus chur me orm mo chuid éide. Thuaidh me isteach sa Cheistin. Rinne me réidh mo chuid bhreicfeasta an sin. Dá me cuppa té, agus dích me gite tósta. Dag me an teach ar lach a né a Gaeilge. Bhí lá bra an. Bhí sé tíorm agus te. Shiúil me isteach go lear na cathrach. War an siúil fiche bommate. Win me soltas. Bhfuil me isteach go coppla siopa éide. Thóg me cóta, pair a bríste, coppla léine, Carawat, gansaí agus hata. Chur mé orm iad. Chaitsin coideach liom. Choní mé an cóta an peire bríste léine a bhain agus an gansaí. Cheannaigh mé iad. Ní raibh airgid bí liom, ach scríobh mé seic. Shíní mé agus thug don chopadóir é. Níor mhac mé leis na rudaí eile. Bhí siad an dír, ach ní raibh siad ráheas. Fuair mé cuid mhór rudaí eile an lá sin. Cheannaigh mé bia san ollmhór acu. Cheannaigh mé blúthghasca agus DVD I siopa an cheoil. Fuair mé leor a éasacht as an leor leat. Níor shiúil mé a bhaile. Tháinig mé a bhaile I dtasaí. Chaith mé a lán airgid ach bhí mé sásta. Cé go raibh mé tuirseach. So you can either go on ahead now and do the questions, or if you need a wee bit of extra help, watch on and we're going to go through the new phrases that we see or that arose in the text. So pause here to translate or watch on for frasi ura. So the first new phrase that we came across, and there was lots of new verbs in the past tense here, was Mhúscáil, which means woke. Mhúscáil mé go luath ar maidin. I woke up early this morning. But as a lot of you know, éirigh, getting up, is not the same as waking up. Níor éirigh mé go luath ar maidin. I did not get up early this morning. So Mhúscáil mé luath, níor éirigh mé go luath. Ní is wash. Ní do lawa. And you should know this one by now. You tell me, what's ní do lawa? Chur is put, another past tense verb. Chur mé sin síos. I put that down. So bréithre, we're looking out for bréithre, verbs in the past tense. Here's another one, rinne. Rinne mé réidh, I made ready or I prepared. Rinne mé réidh do lón, I prepared your lunch. Dul, díth, dag are all verbs in the past tense, and look at the D apostrophe. Dag tú an béalán, díth tú lón agus dul tú uisce. You can pause there to work through that wee bit. Lahanné is half past. Lar na cathrach is city centre, and war is how long something lasts. Bhuail mé isteach is I called in. Bhuail mé isteach huggit, I called in to you, and we saw huggit in a previous week. Hatchin, something lum. Hatchin and tralum, I enjoyed the beach. So liom, we've seen that before, with me. Cheannaigh, past tense verb, a bréithre. Cheannaigh, Cheannaigh sé bia. What does that mean? You tell me that one. Scríobh mé, scríobh bréithre. Scríobh mé scéal iontach. I wrote a brilliant story. Haigh, signed. Haigh she an iasacht. She signed the page. Do you notice anything about a lot of verbs in the past tense? Níor mhac mé yeah. I didn't bother with. Now this is one for the people that were in my class. Níor mhac mé le mac an waci. It's níor mhac mac an waci liom. What does that mean? Can you remember? I didn't bother with the baker's son didn't bother with me. That comes from a tongue twister, mac and waci, and you can look it up if you want. Give it a go. Send me a recording of you doing it. And dear, very expensive, raw yas, too nice, and allwaragu is a supermarket. So when you see all, it's always emphasising what comes next. Allwaragu, supermarket. Our iasacht is on lend or borrowed. Fuair mé an cóta ar iasacht. I got the coat on lend or I borrowed the coat. Ar iasacht. We've seen these ones before, these verbs, tháinig, chaith, came and spent, and you can also use it for wore or through, as in I threw something. Cé go raibh and despite. So we've seen those in previous weeks. So Give the questions a go now, and the answers are out of order at the bottom of the page when you go back. And if there's anything in this text that you didn't understand and that I still haven't covered, try some of the following strategies to help you out. Look at the picture to get clues. Why don't you skip that bit of the sentence and try and use the context that it's being used in to work it out? You could use an online dictionary to search for the word or phrase, like pot the focal, that's my favourite. You can ask me in the chat or my email, or you can look back through previous lessons. And don't forget clachtú. Practice with anybody you know that has a couple of focal or speaks any Irish at all. And don't be afraid to send me wee voice clips as well. We're all very friendly in the WhatsApp group, as you well know. Okay, so seanokal and lay from today is éist mórin agus can bugan. So answers, what does that mean in the comments? Or all your usual contact places. And do you know what I'm going to start doing? If you give me a correct answer, I'm going to start giving you a shout out in the next week. Okay, so your game, Caoimhe, go to your usual sheds and she, round the ulu, pick Ulster, and then I want you to go mad in the games. Just enjoy yourself. Win, salt. Play any games you like and keep going until you find them too difficult. That's usually how I do it anyway. So Cheannaigh and lan you. Here's a wee medal for you, Shaw Ditch. This is for you. And next week we're going to do goal share, or in Seachtain hugging goal share, going back over weeks 1 to 7, absolutely everything. So get ready to turn your brains on. So an Moilat and Shrishaw, Tor like Haigh. If you like this series and you want to help me promote it, give it a wee like, tell your friends about it and send it to anybody you know. Garda mai agav, slang of foil, Caoimhe. Slang.